use of to be and to do in present and past tense. B. In present tense, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Now in past tense, I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were. Now use of to do in present. I do, you do, he does, she does, it does, we do, they do. Now in past tense, use of to do. I did, you did, he did, she did, it did, we did, they did.